So what we have, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. Good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. My God, why the hell are you giving me so difficult time to do this video? Let's start. The person that you're in no contact with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. I'm stuck on this song. Dil tu ja tu. Oh, dil tu ja tu. I don't know. I'll listen to this. We have the Two of Cups, the Sun card, the High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. Okay. They want it all with you, but at the same time, they feel like they should not tell it to you. They should keep their emotions to themselves. They see you as their soulmate. They see you as their true happiness, but at the same time, they feel like, what is the use of seeing Pisces as as my happiness or as my anything? Because even if I'm going to do or say something to them, it's not going to work out anyway. So what is the use of that? So it's like they are feeling like, okay, Pisces, they're daydream, they're daydream. My goodness, they are daydreaming about you, fantasizing about you, thinking about you, thinking about having a back and forth communication with you. In their head, they communicate with you daily. In their head, they have full-fledged communications, conversations with you. But when it comes to this energy of connecting with you, they feel like they can't for whatever reason. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the King of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Cups. They have choices between two people, two energies, two connections, two relationships, or two love offers. I don't know. But this person wants to choose the best for themselves. It's like, okay, they have option. Might be for some of you, you are the past option and they got somebody new as well. Or simply they are already connected or committed to somebody, or they are already in a connection, but they're still waiting for the time when they will be able to connect with you as well, and they are going to choose the best for themselves. This is a clear cut energy of them having a choice between two people, two energies, two circumstances, and they are in this energy of, let me wait for the time when I will be able to make the best choice for myself, because I want to make the right decision here. I don't think this person is considering you, your energy, your feelings, or your anything. They are considering this energy of my feelings, my energy, my life, my rules, my happiness. Just give me a second. So yeah, this person is having choice between two people, and they feel like they should go make the best choice. And their heart is leaning towards you, but at the same time, their mind is telling them to wait so that they can make the right choice for themselves. Ta-da! So I think this person is keeping you as a safe option, or this person is keeping you as an option with whom they can spend good time with if they can't do it with anybody else. Wow, this is strange. This is strange. And those haters who feel like I do the readings deliberately negative or deliberately positive for any sign, fuck you. I don't give a shit. I don't give a damn. Okay? Because I'm not making the videos for you. You are the haters, you are the jealous people here, you are the one who is fulfilled with the uh, negativity and all this shit and projecting it on me. Don't do that. I'm not here to make your ass happy. I'm here to do my work. If it hurt you, don't watch me. Now I have to keep this attitude. I don't see this person taking any kind of action right now. They are trying to analyze, they're trying to understand whom they love, whom they want, what kind of person, what kind of energy, what kind of relationship they want in their life, and they are thinking about it continuously. So they are not working on taking any kind of action. They are not doing anything about it, because again this person is having choices in love, and this person wants to make the right choice for, because this is the question of their life. This is not a video game. According to them, they're telling me that, Anjali, it's not a video game. I have to make a wise choice. I have to make a wise decision. If I'm not going to make the wise choice or wise decision, might be I'm going to end up in disaster again. So that is why I want to take my time. So they have a choice. Again, either they have a choice between two lover, two people, two situations, or they have this energy of, even if I love Pisces, even if I have a feeling toward, even if I have feelings towards Pisces, is it going to work out? So they have this energy of wanting to wait until they are going to be 1,000% sure that you are the right person for them, right? See, until that time they want to work on themselves, their success, their money, their job, their career. They are their number one priority right now. They are very much in this energy of establishing themselves in their life. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. Two of Pentacles. Okay, Pisces. If you're juggling, if you're in this energy of on and off, in and out, if you don't know what to do in this situation, don't do anything. Just keep moving ahead and surrender to the divine. Whatever is meant for you, whatever is good for you, will eventually find you sooner or later in your life. The more you are going to worry about when it is going to happen, or should I go ahead, or should I move on, or should I wait, or should I do this, or should I do that, the more it's going to be difficult for you to live in the present moment. So try to live in the present moment as much as you can, and let it go. Let's go with the flow. Let go and let God, and surrender to the divine. Again, whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually. You don't have to fight for it. You don't have to chase or run behind it. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.